Imagine this: a shiny, new smart fridge in a perfect modern kitchen. The family starts seeing weird notes pop up on its digital screen. Simple stuff at first, like check the stove or water the garden. They laughed it off, thinking it was just the kids messing around. But the messages got stranger. Then, one night, the mom's phone buzzes. It's an alert from the fridge's internal camera, the one you use to see if you're out of milk. The notification says, "Movement detected inside." Her heart pounds as she opens the app. On the screen, she sees a ghostly, shriveled hand reaching out from the back of the fridge. It knocks over the milk carton, and a new message instantly appears on the fridge door. "I'm still hungry." What would you do? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creepy stories.